Situated on a surprisingly flat expanse of land amidst the city's mountainous terrain, House BF stands as a testament to its owner's desire to maximize their relationship with the surrounding landscape. Recognizing the unique character of the land, the architects opted for a single-story residence, ensuring that the garden remains the undisputed star attraction. To preserve this valuable outdoor space, an underground garage was cleverly incorporated into the design, freeing up valuable ground level for the house and its surrounding greenery. The house itself unfolds in an elegant L shape, gracefully framing the garden and offering views of the dramatic mountain backdrop. Transparency reigns, both functionally and visually. Open-plan social areas flow seamlessly into one another, blurring the boundaries between inside and out. Walls, which require privacy, are designed with thick bands of glass at the top and bottom, maintaining a visual connection with the garden and the ever-changing interplay of light and shadow. This carefully orchestrated transparency creates a sense of spaciousness and a harmonious relationship between the occupants and the surrounding natural environment. The home's private spaces extend along the elongated arms of the L. The only exception to this single-story design is the family room located on the second floor. This rarely used space is deliberately separated from the daily rhythm of the house, so that the ground floor remains dedicated to the smooth flow of indoor and outdoor living. The BF house is, in essence, a celebration of its unique location, a testament to the architect's skillful integration of form and function, and a testament to the owner's desire to live in harmony with the natural beauty around him.